Ceylon tea is Sri Lanka's one of greatest gift to the world. Today we visit the historic Giragama Tea Factory near Kandy to discover the fascinating journey of how fresh green tea leaves are transformed into a world famous cup of tea.
Originally tea was discovered by Chinese, but in 1867 Sir James Taylor introduced tea to Sri Lanka. He was from Scotland. We called him as father of Ceylon tea because from that time our country was ruled by British. They addressed our country as Ceylon. Therefore still Sri Lankan tea is famous as Ceylon tea all around the world. You can see in our country there are different types of tea plants. From these tea plants we can produce so many varieties of tea. Many black tea, green tea, silver tips and golden tips. But silver tips we call white tea also. From the same green color tea plant we can produce green tea and black tea. But there are completely two different processes. For the green tea and black tea we pluck up the younger tea leaves with the smaller bud. And we have two more very rare, high demanded tea, golden tips and silver tips. Golden tips, silver tips we produce by using two different very rare tea plants, but same process, dry under sun, natural process. For the golden tips and silver tips we use just the bud, only the tip of the plant, not the leaves. These two types of tea contain a lot of tannin and vitamins. Coffee contains caffeine, but tea contains 4% of tannin. Tannin is natural vitamin in tea, which is better than caffeine. So let's see the black tea process. This is the first activity of producing black tea we call withering. Withering means reducing moisture in tea leaves. After plucking tea leaves, we bring to the tea factory and spread over these troughs and keep about 20 hours to reduce moisture. You can see there are three fans from it. They are blows to the leaves and reduce about 50% moisture in tea leaves. And every often 6 hours we need to turn tea leaves by hand. First step, that all withered tea leaves, we pass second step through these shoots. Downstairs there are rolling machines. Our second step of producing black tea is rolling. This is the second activity of producing black tea, rolling. Those are the rolling machines. After completing first activity, that withered tea leaves, we can charge to first roller by supporting first shoot from upstream. Normally for a one roller we can apply about 250 kilos of withered tea leaves at once. In the first roller, that withered tea leaves we need to roll smoothly 20 minutes without pressure, because first time we expect unbroken younger tea leaves. It means after rolling like a ball, like a seed, twisted parts. For that tea we call unbroken leaf. After rolling that unbroken leaf, it will be discharged from the machine and pass through in a special machine called shifter. The shifter consists different size of hose, different size of measures, like bigger, medium, small. Normally we are taking younger tea leaves, but you can see the most youngest 10 tea leaves are smaller than the rest. So when that machine works, the most youngest ones fall through the measures. Rest bigger tea leaves and the hard stalks come front of the machine and fall down. As same as again we can charge another new load of withered tea leaves for the second roller by supporting second shoot from upstairs. But in second roller, that withered tea leaves we need to roll 20 minutes with the pressure, with touch pressure. When we roll with pressure, these tea leaves start to break into smaller pieces. For that tea we call broken grades. After rolling that broken grades also we discharge and pass through in another roll breaker machine. After separating all the rest mean bigger tea leaves and the hard stalks, we collect them past the third roller by supporting the green color conveyor belt. In the third roller, all the rest re-roll, again roll with high pressure. Then it becomes a small mist. That top graded tea, size-wise, we need to keep there 2.5 hours for fermentation. After fermentation, these green color tea leaves and the stems all convert into brown color, and it gives good aroma, color, taste the tea. On black tea has fermentation process, but in green tea, silver tea, golden tea there is no fermentation. Therefore, black tea we use as a beverage, and green tea, silver tea, golden tea we can use as a herbal drink, as a health drink also. So that is the trailer. After fermentation, all fermented tea leaves we feed to this machine and dry in 22 minutes and under 120 Celsius degrees. So after drying, these all younger tea leaves and the younger stems convert into black color and harder stems brown color. Harder stems we don't use drink, we can use as compost. Therefore we need to separate the stems and leaves. So that is the fiber mat machine. That machine can separate just all the stems like fibers. So this is furnace behind of the dryer. The dryer gets heat from here to dry the tea. The secret of Ceylon tea is to dry the tea we use firewood. Mostly we use rubber. This is the final step of producing black tea ready. So this is one of 15 machines. This machine categorizes tea leaves on the size of the tea leaf. These all are black teas we produce by using same tea clone, same tea process, but different sizes and giving different tastes. Bigger tea leaves giving light taste and smaller tea leaves giving a strong taste. This is the tea dust, a strong taste, but compared to the others, these low quality. Another special grading machine we have in this factory we call suction winnow machine. This machine categorizes tea leaves according to weight of the tea leaf because the quality of the tea depends on weight of the tea leaf. So the tea leaf is making for the most youngest quantity, but that is the highest quality. According to size and the weight, we have about 25 to 30 grades of black tea. From our total tea production, 97% we need to send the tea auction in Colombo. From there, a lot of big companies buy different qualities of black teas and they make all product by themselves and sell under their own brand. That is the one of the new machine we have in this factory, color sorter. It is from China. It separates stems and leaves according to color. There are 24 colors in the cameras which can recognize what are black and what are brownish. So these are some of graded tea. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 varieties of black teas and green tea we produce by using same tea clone, but the process is completely different. The main difference is fermentation. So this OP, orange pekoe. When you make a cup of tea from orange pekoe, only color of the tea is nice orange color, but the taste is not like orange. Just the color, not the taste, is the lightest taste black tea. FP, flowery pekoe, medium light taste. BOP, broken orange pekoe, medium strong taste black tea. BOPF, broken orange pekoe fannies, strongest taste black tea. If you want to take tea taste through the milk, this one is better for milk tea. For this tea we call English breakfast tea. With the tea dust, And these are the hard stalks we call refuse tea we can use as compost. These both are the world's best tea, silver tips and golden tips. The specialty from these two, 1 gram enough for a 1 cup, the same amount, same